Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you the biggest problem with the portable heat pump air conditioners, why it happens and what you can do in order to improve their heating performance. Now, the biggest misconception is that the portable heat pump creates heat. It doesn't. Instead, it moves the heat from the outdoor air into the room. As the outdoor temperature drops, there is less heat available to transfer, so that the unit becomes less efficient. Now, another common issue is the single hose design, which is found on many of the portable heat pump models. While heating, the unit can create the negative air pressure inside the room, pulling cold outdoor air in through doors, windows, and small gaps. This makes the room feel colder and it forces the heat pump to basically work even harder. To improve the performance, you need to simply make sure that the exhaust hose is as short and straight as possible. Seal any of the gaps around the window kit and close nearby doors and the windows in order to reduce the heat loss. The simple changes can noticeably improve the heating efficiently. Now, if your model includes the dual hose system, you can use it whenever possible. The dual hose portable heat pumps exchange air more efficiently and generally provide better heating performance than the single hose models. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.